guys, welcome back to House of Organic Beauty. Yes. So y'all, of course, you know, you guys are used to the interruptions. I have family over and my kids are here, so. So in this video, I will be untwisting my hair. Finally, okay, it's been, I don't even know, has it been that long? I know it's been over a month since I had these twists in. Let's see. I did them on the 3rd. So the 3rd of this month, which is February, would have made it 4 weeks. Oh my gosh, here we go. Yep, have your, you know, time to shine.
Yeah.
Aiden, don't touch that.
They're annoying.
And today's the 14th. So today's Valentine's Day. I need to look cute for my boo. Almost 6 weeks since I had these in. It's about time to take them out because it's stringy. It feels, yeah, it's not giving what it needs to give. All right, it's just about that time, honey. I'm going to a wedding on, I think, Sunday, so I definitely need to take these out. So I'll be using my, what is it? I'll be using water to take out my hair, a wide tooth comb. I'll have some snacks, my water, and probably my phone. My phone to probably, like, I don't know, I get bored. So I'll be wetting, ouch. Try to be careful when you take out your hair. Okay, you wanna wet the section. What I do is put everything in a ponytail just to get out my way, and I will put down each row and then untwist. Or I will do like one at a time and then untwist. That's what I usually do, one at a time and then untwist. Like if my hair is like extra dry, I would add like a washout conditioner just to make the process faster. So try to be careful. You will be experiencing knots, especially at the nape of your hair. So, you know, just be gentle. Add the conditioner. The conditioner will help. Start from the ends and then I work my way up. Try not to get any snagged hair. Trying to be careful, especially to the root, because that's where all the dirt and buildup is. And you'll definitely need your shears too, because sometimes that buildup is hard to come out. So I sometimes cut it. By using the heart method, I try to remove the strands one at a time to try to get that little lint out of my hair. But sometimes it'll just stay stuck to the lengths, which makes it harder to come out. Then I'll just cut it. It's okay. I'll just cut it. See, there's lint here. I don't know if you guys can see. You will never fail, yeah. You will never fail. You will never fail. Oh. I try to be as gentle as possible when removing my twist or any style, but it's very tedious for sure. So I will be back when I'm kind of halfway. I'm just wetting it just so it could be pliable when I'm taking it out. So I'm gonna wet it and then I'm going to add the conditioner. So yeah, just pull. If you need to add conditioner, add it. Ow! Oh, The flyaways, boy. That's how you know this thing need to come out. Just extra hair is just all over the place, just sticking out. Okay, make sure you're gentle. So I will be back when I'm halfway done or when I'm completely done. So as you guys can see, I'm still not done. It's taking me forever and a day because my hair, I'm not gonna say it's matted, but it's, I don't know, it's small and it's just, I don't feel like it. I really don't. But I need to get this done 2 nights. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the amount of hair I lost so far. Mind you, I had this in for 6 weeks. This is how much I lost. Okay, guys, like, listen, okay, listen. Y'all didn't believe me when I told you guys I don't shed that much, okay? Honey. So, 6 weeks, and I already done detangled this whole section, like this whole back. I just have this little bit left. So I'll be back when I'm done with my hair. Oh, I also wanted to come in and tell you guys I'm using the Aussie Moist because this is just a lot better. The other conditioner was leaving my hair dry. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, so I switched to my go-to Aussie, so stay tuned. So I am almost done. I only have 2 left. I have not sectioned this part out. I mean, like, detangled this part. I've just been untwisting my hair and watching stuff on YouTube. So I'm almost done. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you hear something in the background, that's snoring. That's my husband. He snores when he's extra tired. Usually I would hit him so he can, like, you know, stop snoring. But yeah, so today is February the 14th. Oh, Valentine's Day. Oh, I did mention that. And I have a wedding to go to on Sunday, so that's an excuse to kind of do my hair. I'm not sure exactly what I want to do. I don't even know what I'm going to wear for this wedding or to this wedding. It's another struggle. I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow, which is a Monday, the 15th. And then I'm going to do some medium twists for the week. It's bittersweet me taking these twists out. I know I have to wash my hair. And it's about that time. You know, when your hair feels ill, It's about that time to wash it. See the little dirt. Nasty. That was probably piled up gel. So oh my gosh, I'm done. Put you up a bit. It is cold, guys. Like, I don't know what's going on with Florida, but it is cold. Bro, you see how thick looking my hair is? It's so crazy. I'm going to have to get a trim. Oh my gosh, I'm done. I'm finally done. Like, I'm done. Like, bruh, I'm done. Bruh, I'm done. I ended up using my needle. A YouTuber recommended that when you have single strand knots, instead of cutting it out, you can use a needle. Don't ask me what who said it. I don't know. It was just a random video that just popped up, and she used a needle to kind of separate or release the knot. But it is, what time is it? It's not too late. It's 10:16. Everybody's sleeping. Oh my gosh, no, he's loud. Anywho, yes, so yeah, it is late for me. Everyone is sleeping, and I need to head to bed. So this section right here, I don't think it's fully detangled, but we'll worry about that tomorrow. I'll worry about that tomorrow. I'm gonna let this color ride out for some time, maybe a few months, who knows. And then I'm going to dye it back to jet black, honey. And then leave my hair alone. So I have this section to twist up. So what you want to do, okay, on your dirty hair is, like I said, be very careful. Okay, because you will experience more knots and stuff like that. Ugh. I have like stuff everywhere. Spray bottle, water. Ow. I want to use, this is the deep conditioner that I'm using. The conditioner is making my hair soft, but because my hair is so dirty and have like product in there already, it's kind of like, ugh, is not liking what's going on here. So finger detangle. And I would recommend you doing it in like sections, depending on how dense your hair is, how thick it is. I am using the harp method, where I am gradually just grabbing a few strands of hair just to kind of separate. As you can see, it's still twirled on itself, so I have to unravel it. This time I'm starting from the ends, because it needs some motivation to like separate. So I'm gently combing, and as I see or feel a knot, I'm going to just take it out with my fingers. My hair needs a really deep treatment, like deep conditioner wise, because it's dry. You know, the color is going to make your hair dry. Yeah, my hair's not cooperating, so let me just split it again. Finger detangle. I would say I would add more conditioner, but child, no. Let me just finger detangle it. If I don't detangle my hair before washing, then I'll be mad at myself. Your girl ain't doing that. If you add shampoo to your hair and it's not detangled, that's why I detangle first with conditioner, and then I would go in and go with the shampoo. Now I'm using this comb to kind of help me out with this, because the comb is too wide. See, it's not really helping me out, and my finger's not helping me out, so I need a comb to kind of help me out. And I'm doing it very slow just to kind of separate the hair. And when I get stopped by like a knot, then I use my fingers. Okay. Hair is pretty long, boo. I wanted to touch my tush. But yeah, I'm going to create 4 big sections. This is the color. I don't know if you guys can like really see, but I feel like it's fading away, but it's all good. I know it's very dirty, so you can't really see it. But whatever, I'm going to create my sections now. Ooh, it's fragile up here. This is the amount of hair I lost. How dirty it is. And this is 6 weeks, okay? 6 weeks. I am done. What I'm going to do for tomorrow is just put that sucker up in a ponytail and call it a day. That's it. Okay, it's gonna lay flat. But thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to visit my store at www.houseoforganicbeauty.com. And as you guys know, as always, be blessed. Deuces.